Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to second PUC accountancy online classes. In previous class we have solved problem on new profit sharing ratio calculation with 3 partners, with 4 partners, right? Now let us move on to the next part, that is 2 problems remaining under the same concept, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So problem number 9, page number 51. Problem number 9, page number 51. Let us solve that problem. I will read out the problem and let us analyze. Pooja, Priya and Pratishtha are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. So 3:2:1 means 3 plus 2 plus 1. So the denominator will be 3 plus 2 plus 1 means 6, isn't it? 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6 were their ratios. Priya retires, the middle partner retires, whose share was 2 by 6, right? Her share is taken by Pooja and Pratishtha in the ratio of 2:1. So what we have to do is similar problem whatever we have solved earlier. Priya's share, the retiring partner's share, is taken by Pooja and Pratishtha, that is continuing partners, in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1 means 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So the gain ratio of the continuing partners, that is Pooja, is equal to how much? Retiring partner's share into 2 by 3, and other partner, that is a Pratishtha, retiring partner share into 1 by 3. If we calculate that, we will get the gain ratio, and we have to calculate new ratio by adding gain ratio to the old ratio. That is, old ratio plus gain ratio is equal to new ratio. You know the formula, correct? So let us solve the problem. Make sure gained in the ratio of means the ratio given is not, that is a gain ratio. You have to calculate gain ratio. 2:1. By seeing this, the student, most of the students, they think it itself is a gain ratio. They will add this to the old ratio, and thus that will be wrong. That becomes wrong. So be careful in board exam while solving the problem. Practice some problems. It will make you master in the concept. So let us solve this problem given write the names of the partners, that is Pooja, Priya, Pratishtha, Pooja, Priya and Pratishtha. Pooja, Priya and Pratishtha. I will write PT Pratishtha, PR Priya, PO Pooja. So old ratio and gain ratio is not given in the problem. We are supposed to calculate. Old ratio is given, that is 3:2:1, 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. Then gain ratio of Pooja is equal to, taken up by Pooja and Pratishtha in the ratio of 2:1. So Priya's share, how much? 2 by 6. 2 by 6. Who is retiring? Priya. So Pooja acquires how much? Her share, retiring partner's share, that is 2/3 into 2/3 of the retiring partner's share, that is 2 by 6, right? 2 by 6. Here 1/3 of retiring partner's share. That is the gain ratio of the other partner, that is Pratishtha. Let me calculate now. Let me calculate. Therefore, gain ratio of Pooja is equal to her old ratio. No. Pooja is equal to how much? That is 2/3 of Priya's share. Right, is equal to 2/3 into Priya's share. How much? 2/3 into 2/6 is Priya's share, is equal to 6 3s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. 4/18 is her gain ratio. Therefore, gain ratio of Pratishtha is equal to 1/3 of Priya's share. 1/3 of Priya's share. Priya's share is equal to 1/3 into what is Priya's share? 2/6, right? Yes. So 18, 2 ones are 2. This is the gain ratio of Pratishtha. So we got the gain ratio. Now new ratio is equal to NR is equal to OR, old ratio, OR plus GR, gain ratio, that is GR. Correct. Therefore, NR of Pooja is equal to how much? Old ratio of Pooja was 3/6 plus gain ratio we have already found out 4/18. Correct. 4/18 is equal to, take 18 as a common denominator because it is divisible by both the numbers. 6 3s are 18, 18 ones are 18, right? So 18 ones are multiply numerator also by 1, 6 3s are multiply numerator by 3. Correct. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 13/18. Therefore, NR of Pratishtha is equal to how much? That is 1/6. Her old ratio plus her gain ratio was, we have already calculated, 2/18. Calculate. 18 is the common denominator. 6 3s are 18, so multiply by 3. 18 ones makes no difference. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5/18 is the new ratio of Pratishtha. So 13 plus 5, 18. Denominator agrees, your answer is correct. So check always. Maybe because of your there is a plus minus mistake, sometimes mistake occurs, you may not be in a position to understand it. So check whether it is correct or not. Therefore, final answer, new ratio of Pooja and Pratishtha is equal to 13/18 is to 5 by 18 or 13 is to 5. 13 is to 5. This is the final answer. Now, let me move on to the last problem. PQR are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Old ratio is given. Q retires and his share is acquired by P and R in the ratio of 3:2. Similar problem. But still, let me solve it. PQR, I will change here itself, given PQ and R yes. Let me move on. PQR given 3 partners. Who is retiring? Q retires from the business. Q retires, so no gain ratio of Q, right? The ratio was 3:2:1. 3:2:1. Q retires, so 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6, their old ratios. Q retires means 2/6. Q's share, it is gained by, acquired and gained both are one and the same, by P and R in the ratio of 3:2. 3/5 and 1/5. 3/5 and 1/5. Sorry, 2/5. 3/5 and 2/5, right? Yes. So 2/6 ratio of Q is acquired by P in the ratio of 3:2 means what? 3/5. So 2/6 into 3/5. 2/6 Q's ratio is acquired in the ratio of 3:2, so that is 3/5. Here again R, retiring partner share 2/6 into acquired in the ratio of 3:2 means 2/5. 2/5. Okay, therefore gain ratio of P is equal to Q's share into 3/5 is equal to Q share how much? 2/6. 2/6 into 3/5 is equal to 30. 3 2s are 6. 6/30. 6/30, right? Therefore, gain ratio of R is equal to 2/5 of Q's share. Q's share is equal to 2/5 into Q share how much? 2/6, correct? 2/6 is equal to 30. Denominator and numerator is 2 2s are 4. So 4/30. This is the gain ratio. Therefore, gain ratio of P is equal to 6/30 and R is equal to 4/30. 4/30. I will continue here. Yes. New ratio is equal to, now they told us to calculate new ratio, right? So NR is equal to what? Old ratio, that is OR plus gain ratio, that is GR, right? Therefore, new ratio of P is equal to how much? His ratio, that is old ratio was 3/6 plus gain ratio 6/30 30. Take common denominator here. 6 and 30. Take 30 as the common denominator, divisible by both the numbers. 6 5s are 30. Multiply numerator also by 5. So here 1s are. So 15 plus 6 1s are 6. So 21 by 30 is the new ratio of that is P. Therefore, new ratio of R is equal to old ratio of R was 1 by 6 plus gain ratio we have already calculated 4 by 30 right, is equal to, take 30 as the common denominator, 6 5s are 30, multiply the numerator also by 5, 31s are, so multiply numerator by 1. So 5 1s are 5 plus 4 1s are 4 is equal to 9 by 30. 9 by 30. Final answer you have to write. Therefore, new ratios of P and P is to R is equal to 21 by 30 is to 9 by 30 or reduce it to whole number and simplify it. 21 and 9 you can divide it by 3, isn't it? 3 7s are 21 and 3 3s are 9. So answer will be 7:3. 7:3. So that is how you have to solve the problem whenever there is a problem given to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Take this problem number 9, Pooja Priya, as your assignment problem. Solve the problem and submit it on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.